Today I want to share a success story, and I hope it will inspire you, especially if you're going through a dark moment. The story started 2 years ago. This lady calls me trying to book an appointment. Well, she wanted to work on confidence and assertiveness. This is something that I'm really good at. But after talking with her on the phone for a while, and she shared very personal details. She was trapped in a bad marriage. No income, no job, very limited freedom. Could boost of confidence help in this situation? Maybe a little. But that wasn't a real problem. I didn't feel right taking her limited resources. But we did speak on the phone for maybe half an hour, maybe a little more. I asked her, what is your ultimate goal? And she said, to regain her freedom, to leave this relationship. And here's the thing, when I asked her, what would it take to make it happen? She would circle back to confidence and assertiveness. And this is a mistake so many of us make. We think improving ourselves, boosting our confidence, working on our assertiveness, setting healthy boundaries will fix a toxic relationship. It may help a little, but it will not change the toxic person. It will not turn abuse into love. After making few circles, she finally says it. Guzale, if only I had money, I could move out, I could get divorced, and I could have a normal life. The only thing she needed was money. And if you know me, you probably heard me saying it 100 times. Money won't solve everything, but it can solve most of your problems. I've shared with this lady a few ideas how to make money without her husband knowing about it. What I didn't know until this morning that she actually took whatever she saved up and enrolled into my course. Although she never attended live, I didn't know who it was. And that is actually very common. So many people enroll into my training and I never get to meet them. People are busy, they have different needs, different priorities. Maybe schedule doesn't work out. Many of my students I've never met. I've never talked with them on the phone. I've never seen them in my Zoom meetings. And this lady, too, she never attended any of my live meetings, so I didn't even know her. I didn't know her name. Had no idea she became my student. So she said time was limited. She would sneak around and listen with her earbuds from the phone, the classes during the daytimes, and at night she would listen the replays of our healing sessions after her husband would fall asleep. And she said little by little she started feeling better. Her head became more clear. She started making plans for the future. This is a very important thing. To have a plan, to have a vision of your future. This is so important for health. Anyway, she said after listening to me repeating it 100 times to the students that they must create digital products. Our time is limited, our energy is limited, and the work of the healer is not the easiest one. You can have your calendar filled, to the top. But first of all, it will drain you very quickly. Second of all, once you stop working, what then? If you're sick or you need to take care of your kids, what then? What are you going to live on? Digital products, this is your security because that is scalable. She decided to try publish a journal first. This is what she started with, a gratitude journal. We actually had a challenge in our Facebook group. Everybody had to design their journal write prompts and publish it on KDP, on Amazon KDP. So this was her first product. And then when she realized how easy it was, she started creating more and more. She was just using the resources I provided in the course, and it was easy and it was fast. Before long, a little bit of money started trickling in. And she said, in a few months, it's actually started to look real. Long story short, a year and a half later, she moved out. She rented her own apartment and she made enough money to live on. And once she was in a normal, healthier environment, it sparked her creativity so much she didn't need my resources anymore. She was just creating her own things, and she added guided meditations, audio recordings, and she also created 2 workshops. Today was her exam for one of my training programs that she enrolled into, and that makes a 2-year mark since our phone call. And today she said that, I'm sorry about the noise, this is a sun pump. So what I was saying, her 6 months rent agreement is ending and she's about to move into her rent-to-own home. She's going to be in her own house very soon. I just want to say that even if you right now in a very bad place, know that there is hope, there is way out. There is always a way out. It might not be instant, it might not be easy, but you can get yourself out. Put your emotions aside and think about your situation logically. And most likely, just like with this lady and many others that I personally know, most of your problems, if not all, could be solved with money. Even if your freedom is limited, like this lady had, maybe you're struggling with health, maybe you have very young children that take up most of your time and energy. Still, you can start making at least a little money for yourself and putting them aside. Do what's possible in your situation. Do what you can with what you have right now. You can start making money without anybody knowing it. You can create digital products, you can publish books. It doesn't cost you anything. It does not cost anything to publish a book on Amazon. It costs very little money to start selling digital products. The expenses are very minimal. If you start selling on Etsy, it's 20 cents per item to list it for 4 months. If you, well, not if, when it sells, they will take out some fees, which actually a lot higher now than it used to be. It used to be like 6% on Etsy. Now it all adds up to probably 25%. But still, digital products don't cost you anything. Having these fees taken out for opportunity to sell, this is a pretty good deal. You can create templates, worksheets, maybe manuals, journals. You can create audio recordings. You can create classes, courses. If your time is limited, you can pre-record all those things and sell them on demand. You don't need to run them live. That's actually much harder to happen. You need to have your following. You need to be marketing aggressively to have people attending live. If you are starting, you don't have that yet. And then if your home is not very peaceful, you might not have even a possibility to run classes live. But you probably can record them and sell them on demand, little by little. And you'll build up a library of products and you'll start generating some money. And again, I want to repeat, I want to drill it into your mind. Money can solve most of your problems. I wish you to prosper because it can ensure your independence.